Hi, this is Andy, and I just wanted to share with you today how to make a little caveman dress for your troll doll. And I just thought it was the cutest thing. I do have a video that shows how to do the little robes for your trolls. And these two, because of the belly jewel, I wanted to just kind of add the little jewels to the sides to go with that. So, anyways, this is really, really easy. All you need is felt. Felt is really good. It's very giving and it works out really nice. But you could use any material, but I would practice with felt first and then you get an idea. All right, now you need your felt to wrap around your troll. And it's okay if you have extra because it's better to have extra than not enough. So basically what you're going to do is, I like my feet to show. So I'm going to go above the feet and right at the neck. So we're going to go right about here to here, and then cut that. So let me check that again. So right about here. That's going to be my cut. Now these trolls that I have sitting out here, I redid their hair. The yellow and the purple I did with mohair. The little dam troll, and yes, it's made by Dam. And that one is done with a vintage fur collar that I got at a resale store. Now, this is crooked. We don't want crooked. So I'm going to recut. Much better. So this is garbage. All right, so here we go. Now we're going to take the little troll and we're going to flip it around after we've centered it. We're going to find the little hand. We're going to cut our armhole right here. Now this is from the armhole to the neck, and you want to give enough room so it doesn't tear when you're putting it on. Now there's the first one. Put this right about there. Come around right about here. Fold and get your next little. There we go. Now we're gonna center this and straighten this out a bit. Now we're gonna, and when you slide her little hand in, turn her sideways, because if you turn her this way, this is gonna stretch and it could just rip right through. So you want to turn her sideways, put her arm in, pull it up, turn it sideways, put her arm in. Now, we want to cut off about this much right here. So we're going to take this off, fold it over, and right about there. Now to get this here, you're going to go right at the arm. You're going to fold that arm in half. And then you're just going to make a triangle cut, just small. Go to that one, do the same thing, little triangle cut. Now this one's a little bit bigger. There they go. Now to do the collar, fold it over, come right about here. And snip. I put that on. And the reason why when you first put the little dress on, you want to turn it sideways to get that hand through. After that, it stretches, so you don't have to worry anymore. Now, make sure you get all the hair up. Come over. So we don't need all of this, so we're going to trim. Now it's going to lay a little bit off of this side. Now you have a perfect fit. And if it's not perfect when you put it on, take it off and do a little cut. Now it should sit really nice. Okay, so we put this back on. It's good here, good here. And I use this. It's glossy accents. So I'm going to put a little dab right. Well, it'd be nice if it came out. But you get the idea. You put a dab here, close it up, and then you turn it around, and there you go. Now you can add jewels to it and little odds and ends, whatever, you know, you feel you'd like to put on it. I would have to take a needle and go through this. But for this one here, I just added a little jewel, which I thought was cute. Don't see my self-adhesive tools, so I'm going to go ahead and show you some of these. But this would be cute too, to put something like that. You could put that right on there. But you can decorate it any way you'd like. You could do anything. And I just thought it was really cute. I've used it many times, this design on my trolls. They turn out nice. Well, like I said, I do have another video with the robes, if you'd like to check that out. You have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If you like this video, and I love giving ideas, tips. I love to paint. I also love to craft. So there's a variety of all kinds of things. Thank you very much, and you have a most wonderful day. Thank you.